In Fergus, the Noticeboard is a quick and easy way to send company-wide messages, whether you're on desktop or using the Fergus Go app. Think of it as a team group chat, keeping all your updates in one place without needing to switch apps. First, let's look at doing this through the Fergus Go app. Open the Fergus Go app, tap the menu button in the bottom right, and select Noticeboard. Here, you'll see all company messages in one place. To post a message, tap the post button in the bottom right, type out what you want to say, and if you need to get someone's attention, just tap the @ symbol and select their name. Once you're happy with your message, hit post and it'll be shared with the team. If you're chatting about something specific to a job, it's best to use the notes feature inside the job itself. That way, everything stays in context and you can have a back and forth conversation right where it's needed. Check out our guide on adding notes in app to learn more. On desktop, it's just as simple. Click Noticeboard in the top right of Fergus, type your message and use the @ mentions if you need to notify someone, or type @all to notify everyone at once. Then just click Add Post and you're good to go. And that's it! The Noticeboard makes it easy to keep your team connected and on the same page, all without leaving Fergus.